Hey, it's Adam here from Hair System DIY. This is a video for Newlace. Wearing my new system. It's a Swiss lace and it's great, it's comfortable, it's light, it's airy, it bonds well. As you can see, I'm on the beach near my house. Let me see if I can show you the seaside. This is where I love spending a lot of my time. And it's also a real tester for me because it's very windy here and it really tests how good the system bonds to my scalp. And it bonds really well. I've been wearing this system for 2 weeks now. The quality of the hair is great. It's really soft, really natural. The colour is good. The bond is great. I think I've had 2 lifts at the front in 2 weeks, which is good. It bonds longer than other systems that I've had, and rebonding at the front only takes about 10 minutes. So I just want to give you sort of more close-ups of the system. So, as you can see, it does bond quite nicely. It matches quite well with the cut that I've got on the sides. I really like having it short on the sides with a skin fade, and then obviously having it a bit longer on top. I actually got approached a few days ago by a modelling agency, and they said, would you like to be a model for us, a hair model for us? And I said yes, but you have to know that this isn't my real hair, and they were really shocked. But they were still interested. Yeah, no, it's good. I really like this system. I think moving forward, Swiss lace is my favourite base. And I will be expecting to maybe get about 4 months plus out of this. I condition it every day. I use leave-in conditioner every day. I shampoo it as well with Head & Shoulders. So I recommend Head & Shoulders if it's available for you, because in summer it is quite good at stripping a colour and making it lighter, which is great in summer. But I do recommend, if you can use argan oil on your hair for conditioner or leave-in, it's absolutely amazing. Or coconut oil, anything like that is really, really good. But yeah, I thought I'd make a video with the new system. It looks great, feels great. I've got a lot of compliments on it, and I'm looking forward to see how long I can get out of it. So that's all from Hair System DIY, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.